Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, with the US dollar weakening back to 93 on the index, the Australian dollar has revved up its bullish sentiment and broken through the midway point on the RSI along with the 60-day moving average at 71.94 and also rallying back up towards 72 cents. From a technical point, there is a short squeeze in play and no doubt another bull trap as the market tries to squeeze before the next announcement of the RBA rate decision. This week we've got RBA Governor Lowe speaking, and let's see if he does give any hint that there could be a Melbourne Cup Day rate cut or not. Nevertheless, the market is squeezing and no doubt will fail towards this level. If I just bring it in a little, and this resistant line, once support now broken from the break of the head and shoulders pattern, sees a resistance around 70.85 area. I'm not too sure if we can get that high, but nevertheless the market is squeezing, so let's see how it plays at the start of the week. The euro is also closed above 118.10, putting a slight squeeze on the market, and therefore could see a rise up towards this level around the highs of 118 and reassess from there. Looking at the RSI, it has maintained above the midway point, so let's see if it can continue on as the dollar weakens. The price action for dollar yen has broken down and now pressuring this level seen closely around 105. If I just click on it, you can see here the level comes in roughly around 105.45. Now we see a close under there. We're right on it now. Could see further indication down towards 104.80 or maybe even lower. Nevertheless, let's see if we can get a close underneath this level. Moving on to the pound, well, that also has broken above 130, but I'm neutral for the pound at the moment due to the uncertainty that we're rolling into with Brexit. That's coming up very soon this month. Sterling yen focusing on this level of 138. Now, if we do see a break above there, that would reinstate the move up to about 139.5. But let's see if the pound does weaken. It really lies on that leg. Nevertheless, the resistance is still quite firm, but not coming out quite with the call yet because, to the upside, that is, there is bearish divergence. We could see a rejection clearly from there. Also, the gold has reached its objective of 1,920 to 26, and at present it is trying to squeeze higher. Now, while we maintain above this level here, which I've outlined, this is around 1,900 to 0103, then further risk is to the upside and maybe up towards this region around 1,968. Wrapping up with oil, well, the market's broken down a little bit further after the rejection close to this top side of the range, which was around around $41.80. From the rejection, now looks back to this support line, which comes in roughly close to the level around $39 a barrel. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the great start to this new week.